So it's weekend, nothing to do, just watching, and yeah, that's it. Ah.
Alice were friends with Brian. I didn't realize.
So yun yung pinapanood ko, documentary yun eh, about basta something sa Amerika, parang murder case or what. And yun, dapat pupunta ako sa doktor ko today. Alam mo na, magsi-self-love tayo. But sabi, bawal daw pagpawisan pag pa something. So, may basketball ako mamaya. So, bukas na lang. Diba? Siyempre, basketball is life. Kahit hindi tayo professional maglaro. And that's mostly that will be my weekend. Basketball mamaya, tulog muna, basketball mamaya, and then bukas punta ako kay Doc. Tapos ano naman, alright.